Hi, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, I'm Hanilin Muharnapay, 38 years of age, from Daraga, Albay, Philippines. I'm single and I have 4 male siblings and I'm the 4th child.
Do you have kids?
I don't have kids.
Okay, tell me about your educational background.
I'm a college graduate with a degree of Business Administration.
Do you have work experience abroad?
No, I don't have.
Do you have local experience here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have 2 years experience.
And your duties are?
And my duties are cleaning, cooking, taking care of pets, and taking care of children.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm hardworking, fast learner, and multitasking.
Okay, do you have any tattoo in your body?
Yes, I have 6 tattoos. I have one in my upper left chest, not visible. I have in my left and right arm, visible. I have in my left and right knees, not visible. And I have one in my left leg, not visible.
Okay, did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
No, mom.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to save mom.
Give me an idea. How can you take care of the children and children with tantrums?
I will talk to them calmly and I will be friendly to them.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, I will do my best to be a good worker, and I assure you that I'm a hardworking, fast learner and can do multitasking. I will finish my contract. Thank you.
Thank you.